Risden. Oh my goodness. You were coming right at me.
Risden. Risden. Look at this.
Just like a man going
Hey,
for
Risden.
the remote. Where are you going now?
Risden, look at this. Look at this. Come here.
What's Daddy have? He's going fast. And score. Let's do it again. Risden, come here. Here, come to me.
Risden, come here.
Ah! Good job. Good job. Yay. Oh, where's he going now? You never know where he's going. Let's follow him. We'll do investigative reporting. Oh, gotta take a break. It's so hard. Oh. Did you bang your head? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you laughing at Uncle John? Oh, no, where are you going? Where are you going? Are you coming to get my sock? What? That's good work. You did a good job. You did a good job. Risden. Risden.
Maybe you guys can buy him some toys so he don't have to play with the doorstep.
Got a cough. Oh, that one goes a long time. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh. He's like, I'm busy over here, and I'm busy over here. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Hi. Oh, are you coming to Mama? You're so nice.